Welcome to our video on the top 7 must-have tech gadgets. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. This advanced surveillance camera is packed with incredible features to ensure maximum security. With 3 lenses and an 8x zoom capability, you can effortlessly zoom in and out using the mobile app. The dual screen functionality provides a broader perspective, making it ideal for monitoring large areas. Equipped with police light alarms and motion detection, it's a smart solution for both residential and commercial use. With ICE app support, it's easy to control and customize your surveillance needs. Number 6. With a massive 70,000 mAh capacity, this power bank is perfect for those on the go. It delivers up to 17 charges for an iPhone 15, 11 for a Samsung S22, and even 6 charges for a MacBook Air. It features 100-watt PD fast charging, powering up a MacBook Pro to 50% in just 30 minutes. Designed for outdoor adventures, it also includes 3-level lighting and SOS mode, making it a reliable companion for hiking or camping. Dual USB-C and USB-A outputs ensure you can charge multiple devices simultaneously, and the car-grade batteries offer safety and longevity. Number 5. Transform your living room into a cinema with this 1080p Full HD projector. Supporting 2K and 4K resolutions, it delivers sharp and vibrant visuals with 18,000 lumens brightness and a 10,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio. It offers a giant screen size of up to 150 inches, making it perfect for movie nights or presentations. The autofocus and auto keystone correction features ensure a hassle-free setup, while the built-in stereo speakers provide immersive sound. With Android 9.0 OS and dual Wi-Fi connectivity, you can seamlessly stream content or mirror your smartphone screen. Number 4. Simplify your smart home with this universal remote control. By downloading the Tuya app, you can manage all your IR-enabled devices like TVs, air conditioners, and DVD players right from your smartphone. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, it supports voice commands so you can control your appliances hands-free. The infrared learning function allows customization for non-standard devices, making it incredibly versatile. If you're ready to cut the clutter and enhance your smart home experience, this is a must-have gadget. Number 3. For outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users, this lightweight pocket knife is an exceptional tool. Crafted with S35VN steel, it boasts excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The titanium handle ensures durability while remaining lightweight. At a total length of 250 millimeters, it offers a comfortable grip for various cutting tasks. With a precise blade angle of over 60 degrees, this knife provides sharp and clean cuts. Whether you're camping, hiking, or tackling daily chores, this knife is designed to perform with reliability. Number 2. If fishing is your passion, this reel is your ultimate companion. Featuring an ultra-thin body design and CNC machined aluminum spool, it combines lightweight construction with durability. Its carbon fiber drag system delivers up to 28 pounds of drag power, ensuring you can tackle larger catches. The dual main ball bearing structure and optimized winding system provide smooth and effortless performance. With a screw-in handle and removable EVA knob, it's easy to maintain and customize to your preference. This reel is built for both professionals and hobbyists who demand high performance. Number 1. This compact yet powerful mini PC is perfect for gamers and professionals alike. Powered by the 12th Gen Alder Lake N100 processor, it offers more than 33% higher performance than its predecessors. With 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD, multitasking and storage are a breeze. Its unique LCD display lets you monitor CPU temperature, fan speed, and memory usage in real time. The dual M.2 SSD slots support up to 2 TB of storage, providing flexibility for future upgrades. Additionally, the UHD graphics and 4K dual-screen display make it ideal for both gaming and work. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or running demanding applications, this mini PC delivers exceptional performance. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.